normal distribution function. So the probability function is given as 1 by root over of 2 pi sigma square exponential of minus x minus mu whole square divided by 2 sigma square. Sigma is the standard deviation, mu is the mean. So here if mu equals to 0 and sigma equals to 1, then it is known as a standard normal distribution, which means if the function looks like 1 over root over of 2 pi exponential of minus x square divided by 2, then this is my standard normal distribution, which looks like this mu is equals to 0 and the area under the graph is 1. So seeing a problem on the related question given is we have to find the integration of 1 over of root over of 2 pi exponential integration from 0 to infinity exponential of minus x square by 8. Comparing these two, we see here instead of 2 here it is 8. Okay, and we need to integrate from 0 to infinity, whereas this integration it is done from minus infinity to infinity. So these two are the two different things, two different points to be considered. So I need to make this as 2 and then I need to divide the whole integration range into half. Means I need to integrate only this part and not this part. So I need to make this divided by 2. Okay, x square by 8 can also be written as x square by 2 into 2 square or 1 by 2 x by 2 whole square. This can be my new variable, dummy variable t. So let t is equals to x by 2. Then dt equals to dx by 2 or dx equals to 2 dt. Now I is equals to 1 by root over of 2 pi integration 0 to infinity exponential of minus x square, or here I can write 1 by 2 into t square, because in t square means x square by 4, 4 into 2 8, same thing, into dx. Instead of dx I will write here dt. Okay, so this 2 can come outside and it is whole integration of 0 to infinity 1 by root over of 2 pi exponential of minus t square by 2 dt, same as this standard deviation function, standard normal function. Now we know that if this integration had been from minus infinity to infinity, its result would have been 1, that is integration minus infinity to infinity dx is equals to 1. But here we are taking the half of it from the middle, so it will be 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is equals to 1. The integration of this whole thing is equals to 1.